we will make a hat to match this sweater. So start with a magic ring like that, then chain 3, and into this ring make 11 double crochets. I already uploaded a video of this sweater for boys, so please check the description box. I will leave a link for you. Okay, count this chain 3 as 1 double crochet. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 2 more because we need 12. Join with a slip stitch on this, like that, and then you chain 3, and we will do 2 double crochets in every stitch, but not from this part. We will do from this, you see this yarn under the loops here, we work on that. So 2 double crochets, and here also 2 double crochets, then and continue to do 2 double crochets in every stitch, but not on these loops. Okay, on this one here. I'll see you here. When we are here also, we work 2 double crochet in there. Okay, and take your loop like that, insert your hook onto this stitch or on the head of your double crochet, I mean on the top of the double crochet, and slip stitch like that, and then chain 3 again. And in this row we will make 1 double crochet in here. See this, 1, and then in the next stitch 2 double crochet, and then again we make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1 again, and then 2 double crochet like that, and continue like this. Okay, we should end here with 2 double crochet in the same space like that, and then pull your loop like that again, and insert your hook on top of that previous double crochet, not on this chain, okay, on the double crochet like that. Then chain 3 again. See, and in this round we will make 1 double crochet, and then we make 2 double crochet separately and in the double crochet in the same space. Okay, again I'll show you, 1, and then 2, and then 2 double crochet in the same space again, and continue just like this. I'll meet you here. And then here also we will end with 2 double crochets in the same space, 1, then 2 like that again, In this round we will work 3 double crochet and then increase on the fourth one. So 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth one we do 2 double crochet in the same space. Then so again 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth one 1, 2, and continue like this. I'll show you again. Okay, here also we end with 2 double crochet in the same space. Okay, sorry. 1 and 2. We can do this and stitch. Okay, like this. And if you want to make it bigger, I mean if you're making it for bigger boys or girls, then you do one more round. Okay, one more row with increase one more row. I mean in the next row you should have 4 double crochets and then increase on the 5th one. Okay, and then but I won't be increasing anymore, so I will start working with this. Okay, I just chain 3 and then in the same space here in this round we will walk through both of the loops. Okay, make 4 more double crochet, 2, 3, and 4, and then skips two stitches, 1, 2 on the third one, do single crochet, skip 2 again, 1, 2 on the third one, make 5 double crochet in the same space, 2, 3, 4, 5, again skip 2, 1, 2 on the third one, single crochet, skip 2, 1, 2 on the third, 5 double crochet in the same space, 2, 3, 4, 5, then skip 2 on the third one, single crochet like this, and continue doing this. I'll see you here. Okay, when you made your last shell, then skip 1, 2 on the third one, we do a single crochet and then we slip stitch onto the chain 3 of this first shell like that. Okay, and then we make 1 slip stitch, again 1, and single crochet into this next one, and in this space here, see this, we skip 1. Okay, 1, 2, skip 2, 1, 2 on this third one, make 5 double crochets again, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and make our single crochet on the third double crochet like that. Okay, skip 1, 2 on the third one like that. Again, yarn over, skip this 2, 1, 2 on this third one, make the shell again. Four and then 5. Again, skip 1, 2 on this third one, single crochet like this. Here you see this, our new shell always sits on this single crochet of the previous shell. See, like that, and continue like this. I'll meet you here again. Okay, when you are here, when you did your single crochet, and then make your other shell in here. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch into this single crochet here. Okay, so since we end on a single crochet, so we will chain 3 and we will make our fun right there only. 2, 3, 4, then 5, and single crochet on top of the previous shell or fan, as you like to call it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then on top of that single crochet and continue. Okay, here we made a last shell and we end with a single crochet on top of the previous shell, and then we slip stitch on the chain 3 like that. Okay, and we continue just like this until we get about 16 centimeters. Okay, I will make until I get 16 centimeters from here. Measure from the top until you get 16 centimeters, and then when you did that, I will show you how to do the brim. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you like my video, please hit the like button for me. Okay, I've got to the length that I want, and this is how it looks like so far. So then I will chain 3. After I join, I chain 3 and I leave this chain 3 here, so I will make front post, the next double crochet, and then back post, front post, back post again, and leave this single crochet. Okay, work only on the shell. So we make front post again, back post, front post, back post, front post, leave this single crochet again and work on the next shell, and continue just like this. I'll meet you at the end of this row. Okay, when you reach here, just join on the chain 3, and then if you like, you can do 1 more or 2 more rows like this. Okay, so I will do 1 more. When you finish, join your slip stitch and cut your yarn and secure it in like that. Use your hook and take the tail in like that and cut all the tail like that. Okay, and for this also secure it like that and cut. I hope you like it, so keep watching for more, and please do subscribe, and thank you for watching.